What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here, and as promised, told you I was going to give y'all some updates on this GT-R we picked up in PA, and today's the day. We're going to go ahead and get the oil change done on it, and we're going to throw some spark plugs in it. Ain't that right, Jack Stan? Alright, let's get this oil drained, see what it looks like.
Do you need a light on the situation?
No, it actually looks really good. You can do it. You can do it all night long.
You can get demonetized.
I know, right? I mean, you can do this job.
We all know what you're recording.
Well, it's black.
It's definitely dark. Stinky. That might be Japanese oil.
That'd be cool. Got the oil filter out. Adrian's getting the new one on. Is that an easy one to get to?
By far the worst one to get to. You got to take the vacuum lines off and pull the dipstick out because it won't pass the dipstick. Whole bunch of nonsense. You can see why everybody relocates them.
Oh yeah, she's down off in there.
Yeah, that's with the vacuum line pulled off.
Alright, well, we got a new filter on it. Got the oil drained. Time to put some new oil in her. Alright guys, this is the filter that we're using, Wix 51361. That's what I found on the forums and stuff. And we're going to be putting 1040 Amsoil, and this is the premium with high zinc. What Adrian's pouring skills are like.
It's got a funnel. I don't have to have good pouring skills.
Don't spill it. How high can you go?
I'm not going to do it.
Do it.
I'll be the one that has to clean it.
Come on now.
Shake it more than twice. Don't forget. Oh.
You can do it.
Last guy that owned the car didn't put those back on.
You don't need those where you're going.
So I wait to pull this until. Hey. Yep. Okay. Fair enough.
Fair enough.
I'm gonna go grab my ratchet.
Ratchet.
Moving forward.
Alright, here's the coil packs. We gotta remove these, and then we're gonna check out the plugs. Oh, those come out of there nice and easy. She's spitting a little bit, Twink.
That's why she's spitting. There we go. Not as oily down there as I thought they'd be.
No.
It's
But
probably
they do look...
been burning it off though.
Yeah. I like how this one's the cleanest, and they get dirty and more corroded the more you go back.
Yeah, that back one looks rough.
Yeah.
It's probably our Johnny right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too.
I like how all these washers are like in the spark plug holes.
Don't worry about that. All right, we'll get those bad boys out of there. All right, and these are the new plugs that we're putting in. We went ahead and went with the lower heat range because of modifications. And it has a MIMES ECU, so we figured it was a little hotter than normal. Yeah, the straps are a little rusted on them. Is it a NGK?
Yeah.
Sweet.
PFR 6A. Good deal.
Cool. It already had them in it. They just got some age on them.
Mm-hmm. So much better than doing them on an EJ. Or an FA.
Or an FA. You don't like FAs?
Or a Porsche.
What'd you say, FA?
Just anything boxer related.
Yeah, but you know you like doing them.
Only because they pay decent.
Right. See what number 2 looks like. Alright guys, Adrian's about got all the plugs changed, putting the coil packs back. If I can talk. How am I in your way?
You're always in the way.
Fine.
Video guy's always in the way.
I'll move. Twisting my arm here. Alright, Adrian's got it all buttoned back up. This one has a gauge that's actually teed off the map sensor. We don't recommend that, so we're going to replace this hose all the way to the map sensor. Alright guys, we got the new line ran and we replaced the whole thing with some new vacuum line. So the map sensor can actually read correctly.
Don't make a crack.
Alright, we got that done guys. Let's drop her to the ground. Take her for a little test drive. Guys, we're gonna let it warm up and go for a test drive. Guys, let her warm up a little bit. I feel like I'm on the wrong side. I should be driving.
Is it R32? You don't know how to drive R32, just a 33?
Yeah.
It's after school time, isn't it?
Yeah, it's almost 5. guys, we took it for the test drive after doing the plugs and the oil change. It's still got a breaking up or something, but I guess that could be due to bad gas. He said it's been in there for over a year. So, and he just put stabilizer in it. So I think we're going to get some injector cleaner and get like a fuel stabilizer, and then top it off because it's got like a little under a half a tank of odor fuel.
And it's been sitting for a while, so we could be fighting a dirty injector, a coil pack. The RBs are a little notorious for coil packs. Luckily, we have backups of all that stuff. So
yeah. Adrian's bought stock in RB, so, and then we get to pass along, or I get to pay the RB tax. But guys, thank y'all for joining in today, trying to diagnose the R32's little hiccup. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and as always, we appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Peace.
Moving forward.